Mini ITX motherboards enable compact, space-saving PCs with efficient performance, ideal for small builds, portability, and minimalist setups. My today's video is about top 5 best Mini ITX motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Mini ITX motherboard. Built for reliable performance and compact efficiency, this AM4 motherboard supports 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors with impressive stability. The dual-channel DDR4 setup, though limited to 2 DIMMs, ensures adequate memory bandwidth for gaming and everyday multitasking. Its optimized VRM heatsink paired with a direct 6-phase digital PWM design using 55A DRMOS delivers consistent power, helping maintain thermal control under sustained workloads. The PCIe 3.0x 16-slot supports modern GPUs without bottlenecks for most users, while the NVMe PCIe 3.0x 4M.2 slot offers fast storage performance for quick boot and load times. Audio is handled by the LC887 codec, which provides acceptable sound quality for general use, but may fall short for audiophiles. Overall, it's a well-balanced option for budget-conscious builders seeking dependable features in a compact form factor. Now our second product is ASUS Mini ITX motherboard. This AM5 motherboard delivers a forward-looking platform designed to fully unlock the potential of AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, making it a strong choice for both enthusiasts and future upgraders. ASUS's intelligent features like AI Advisor, AI Overclocking, AI Networking 2, and AMP significantly reduce the complexity of tuning, offering smart automation that benefits both beginners and experienced users. The robust 10+2+1 power design, rated at 70A per stage with ProCool connectors, ensures stable power delivery even under heavy workloads or overclocking scenarios. Thermal performance is equally impressive, with large heat sinks, an integrated I/O cover, and high-quality thermal pads maintaining consistent temperatures. Dual PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots provide cutting-edge storage speeds, enhancing system responsiveness. Overall, it's a premium, well-balanced motherboard that blends power, intelligence, and future-ready connectivity for high-performance builds. Our third product is ASRock Mini ITX motherboard. This Mini ITX motherboard impressively balances compact design with high-end capability, making it ideal for powerful small form factor builds. Despite its 170 by 170 mm size, it fully supports AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, backed by a robust 10+1+1 phase power design, with 110A smart power stages that ensure stable performance even under demanding loads. The dual DDR5 DIMM slots push memory speeds beyond 8200 plus OC, offering excellent bandwidth for gaming and productivity. Its PCIe 5.0x 16 slot enables next-gen GPU performance, while the combination of blazing PCIe Gen 5x4 and Hyper-Gen 4x4 M.2 slots delivers exceptional storage flexibility and speed. Connectivity is equally premium, featuring killer 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth for seamless networking. With versatile display outputs including HDMI and USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, this board stands out as a powerhouse in a compact footprint. Now number 4, Cuxor Mini ITX motherboard. This Mini ITX Q670NAS motherboard is a specialized powerhouse built for advanced storage and networking applications rather than typical desktop use. Supporting Intel 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen processors on the LGA 1700 socket, it performs best with energy-efficient T-series CPUs, ensuring stable thermals within its compact 6.7-inch form factor. The standout feature is its 4 Intel i226 2.5 GB ports, offering exceptional networking flexibility for NAS, firewall, or server deployments, with vPro support enhancing remote management. Storage capabilities are impressive, combining 6 ATA ports with up to 6 M.2 NVMe slots for massive, high-speed data handling. DDR5 memory support up to 64 gigabytes ensures smooth multitasking, while HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort add useful display options. Industrial-grade build quality and versatile USB connectivity further enhance reliability. Overall, it's an excellent, feature-rich solution for enthusiasts building high-performance NAS or network systems. Our last choice is Sham's Huiwen Mini ITX Motherboard. This LGA 1150 Mini ITX motherboard is a practical choice for budget builds or reviving older systems, supporting Intel 4th Gen Core i7/i5/i3 and Xeon E3 processors with dependable compatibility. Its dual-channel DDR3 memory support up to 16 gigabytes is modest by modern standards, but sufficient for everyday tasks and light gaming. The four-phase power design with solid capacitors ensures stable operation, though it's not intended for heavy overclocking. Connectivity is surprisingly versatile, featuring HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort outputs, dual gigabit LAN ports, PCIe 3.0x16, SATA 3.0, and an M.2 NVMe slot, offering flexibility for upgrades. The H97 chipset and added heatsink design help maintain stable performance and thermal control. However, missing accessories like a manual and CMOS battery may inconvenience some users. Overall, it's a reliable, no-frills motherboard ideal for cost-effective, compact legacy builds. What do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.